Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best outdoor bar stools on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Firmax Outdoor Bar Stools. If you're in the market for some durable and stylish bar stools, the Firmax Outdoor Bar Stools should be on your list. These stools are perfect for home use, thanks to their scratch and mar-resistant steel construction with a beautiful polish finish that's built to last. Not only do these stools look great, but they're also super sturdy and stable thanks to the X-brace support structure under the seat. Plus, they come fully assembled right out of the box. When it's time to clean up or save some space, you'll love that they're stackable too. What we like about it: great fit for outdoor bar. Stackable for easy storage. Easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: prone to strong wind damage. Number 2. 5L Outdoor Bar Stools. 5L Outdoor Bar Stools are perfect for any outdoor space, whether you have a deck, lawn, or garden. With a swivel feature that allows for 360-degree rotation, you can enjoy conversations at any angle. Crafted from powder-coated metal with a black finish, these stools have an elegant look that's perfect for any outdoor setting. The textiline fabric seat and back are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any weather-related damage. Plus, the upgraded adjustable foot knobs ensure that the chairs remain stable and the scrolling arms add a touch of sophistication. What we like about it: comfortable and sturdy. High-quality craftsmanship. Easy to assemble with clear instructions. What we don't like about it: not comfortable for extended sitting. Number 3. Sundale Outdoor Bar Stools. The Sundale Outdoor Bar Stools offer comfortable outdoor seating with a modern design. These bar stools are made of premium wicker material that's easy to clean and resistant to rain. The slightly slanted backrests and built-in footrests ensure that you can sit for hours without feeling uncomfortable. Additionally, the set also includes payrattan woven around a premium steel frame, making it resistant to rust, weather, fading, chipping, and cracking. What we like about it: supports up to 230 pounds. Matches well with wicker furniture. Lightweight and easy to move. What we don't like about it: cushions are not particularly comfortable. Number 4. MUF Studio Outdoor Bar Stools. The MUF Studio Outdoor Bar Stools feature a heavy-duty steel frame that is built to withstand all kinds of weather thanks to its rust and weather-resistant qualities. What's more, the breathable textiline sling fabric ensures you stay cool during those hot summer months. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, these stools are sure to withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. Plus, their 360-degree swivel feature offers a convenient way to change directions without ever having to move the chair. What we like about it: rust and weather-resistant steel frame. Breathable, cooling, textiline sling fabric. Adjustable foot pads for maximum comfort. What we don't like about it: may not be comfortable for tall individuals. Number 5. Aresti Brands Outdoor Bar Stool Set. Looking for an attractive and functional addition to your patio furniture? Look no further than the Aresti Brands Outdoor Bar Stool Set. These modern, adjustable bar stools are not only lightweight and easy to move but also boast a durable powder-coated steel stand and a base with a 15-inch diameter for added stability. What we like about it: adjustable height for personalized comfort. Lightweight and easy to move. What we don't like about it: may wobble on uneven surfaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.